Teruna Classic LUNC, over $61 million has been pulled out of Teruna Classic within the past 24 hours. $61 million. Wow, this is a lot of money. Now, all the way from $618 million market cap as of even yesterday. Today, Teruna Classic market cap is now trading at $555.7 million with a traded volume of $44,466,098. You can see the coins that normally most people are actually selling out. Most people are, instead of buying, people are selling out. And you can see over 475 billion 788,889,957 LUNC coins is being traded as of in the past 24 hours. And mostly people are pulling out, people are selling off, and that is why you see that this trade in the past 24 hours has actually hit a lot of drop in price, drop in market cap. It's actually sells. More people are on sales. People are not buying. Most traders are pulling out. So that is why over $61 million being pulled out within the past 24 hours. This is a lot of money, almost 7 to 8% of Teruna Classic LUNC market cap within 24 hours. This is a lot of money that have been pulled out, and apart from that, Teruna Classic, maybe according to some experts, they might further more before the end of this coming week, before weekend, next coming weekend, that LUNC might drop even further down to about 350 or 400 million cap, and before the end of this month we might be seeing LUNC at 100 million or below $100 million cap if nothing is done. But at least over $61 million being pulled out in 24 hours, and LUNC market cap is now trading at $555.7 million with a trading volume of about 44 million, which is about 475.7 billion Teruna Classic coins. Let's hope that Teruna Classic we survive this. I mean, if they can survive this, then I'm very certain that it will be good for LUNC, and let's see if everything will change gradually. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.